Prashant, can you please turn on your video and show me your ID code?
Yep.
Just hold on. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so you can take it ahead. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, hi Prashant, how are you?
Yeah, hello sir. So I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. So, I'm fine, yeah.
Great.
Let's get started then. Yeah, okay. You feel relaxed? Okay.
Yeah.
Nobody's
Sure.
also know everything already.
Yeah.
So, you just brief yourself.
Sure.
How you come to the SAP? What was your core domain experience? If you have any? Yeah.
My name is Prashant Kose. Basically, I belong from Usmanabad district in Maharashtra. My family consists of my mother, and she's living at my native place. I hold a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering, and I'm a 2018 graduate. On a personal note, I love to watch sci-fi movies and swimming. Professionally, I do have overall 7.4 years of experience. In that, 4.5 years as an SAP SD consultant, and before that 3 years I worked into supply chain management as a SAP end user and handling the order management part. During my SAP career, I got an opportunity to work on SAP implementation project, SAP supports, SAP rollouts, SAP upgrades, and enhancements as well. So currently I'm working with Hitachi Digital Services from past 2 years and 2 months, and I'm based out of Pune location. And here in Hitachi, I'm currently allocated to one S4HANA support project from past more than 5 months, and before that I was a part of SAP S4HANA upgrade from 1809 to SAP 2023 version. In my current S4HANA support project, my roles and responsibilities are like I'm handling the daily incident, providing the resolutions within agreed SLA. Also, I'm working on the major and minor change requests that include our preparation of FS, gathering the requirement from the user, conducting the FUT, UAT, collaborating with the cross functional team, technical team for based on the requirements, supporting the users during the UAT phase, or train the new users who had joined recently the organization. Yeah, that's it about myself.
Okay, so basically this is an individual contributor IC role.
Okay.
So we want someone who can work individually. Yeah, before that some guidance is required, that is acceptable. But then it is not like a TL role. It is an individual contributor.
Okay. Yeah, currently I'm working as an individual in my current project. Okay. So I'm handling the incident, providing the resolutions based on the changes required to the business. Yes.
And there will be early morning working also. Yeah.
Yeah, that is
with HR. Yeah.
That is absolutely fine. Actually, currently I'm working in the US time shift. That is 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
That is absolutely fine.
180-degree turnover.
Sorry?
Yeah. 180-degree turnover. Yeah.
No problem.
Early morning hours to that late night. Because I was also in US shift, so now I'm working early morning. Okay, so that is the thing. So it is an individual contributor role. We have interface, IDOCs, line transfers, sales order, so sales order, delivery, returns, S4, support, enhancements, demands, projects, then service requests, then you have like some what you can say, some other project there are going on, then you need to just help in the testing. So not many things are there.
Yeah, so that is absolutely fine. Like, so I'm looking for the better exposure, to enhance my skills, keep up my learning curve, gain the cross-functional module knowledge. Yeah. So that would be really great opportunity for me.
So you know iDocs?
Yes, I work one.
Okay, so what is your current, like, what you know about the iDocs? That is like, okay, and what interface you know? iDocs, the interface?
Yes, I know iDocs. For these are specifically used for the exchange of information from the SAP to the non-SAP system. Okay. It mainly consists of three structures: control records, data records, and status records. These three structures, using that every record
so
has.
Now, okay, so now I have like scenario. Okay, where my customer said, my client said, wherever you push the sales order,
okay,
so there should be order acknowledgement should go to the customer. Okay, it's a big customer. Okay, so that customer says, I don't know how you are like processing my iDocs or my sales orders, but I want to know what is like state is sales order is acknowledged, right?
Yes. So yes, for that we can.
I want the confirmation.
Yeah. So for that we can maintain one condition record, that is for the iDoc external send condition type. Okay. EDI send.
So for
that customer or for that particular sales order.
Determination.
Yes. And
so now you start from the output.
Yes. So
output determination. Have you worked on output determination?
Yes, I did. Yeah, I did.
Okay, and then start from the output determination. Okay. Let's assume that you will GAC. You will do. How will you will do GAC? AC.
Yeah, GAC is output type for the order acknowledgement. Okay, so so it has been triggered using the condition techniques. Okay, so first we need to maintain the condition table, that is the key combination of the fields. Okay, on what basis we wanted to trigger it, that is the customer, material, or specific sales organization division for that particular. This after that we configure the condition table after.
Do you know node or something like output determination?
Yes, SPRO, SAP, sales and distributions, basic functions, output determination. This is the node, and VV30.
Have you heard like NACE? Have you heard NACE?
C?
NACE. Have you heard like, NACE?
NACE, okay. NACE, it's the transaction code for the output determination, NACE. So using that also we can configure the conditions, and we can select for sales order we are talking about, we can select V1 as application, and V1 we can configure that all the procedures, all the condition types, and all the assignments of that condition table to its access sequence. Yeah, and yes, this is the single transaction code. Every output related configurations are handled in the NACE. Yes, and for sales order VB 11, the main transaction code are used for the maintaining the output records.
So now what happened? So now the sales order I punched. I created the sales order.
Okay.
For the quantity 10. I save that. Okay, and then output trigger, and then it will go immediately with like help of the interface. I know these partner functions.
Yeah, it's partner functions. I know.
Where you configure it? Do you know a T code or like something?
VOPAN is the transaction code for the partner determination procedure. Okay, there are
partner functions related to the
partner functions. We can maintain at the
W20.
Yeah, W. Okay.
You configure the output, but how it will go? In which logical system it should go, right?
Yes.
Which partner, like logical system will consist
of
WE, logical system or customer or vendor, right?
Yes, WE is mainly WE, the main key being used for the partner functions in that iDoc. WE.
No. So that is perfectly fine. WE20, WE20 T code.
Yes, I know it.
Okay, so where you need to configure your output type. Right. So in WE20 there are two windows. those. Okay, I can do plain outbound or inbound. So our is outbound.
Outbound,
So
yes.
in which you need to maintain your output type and the processing immediately or collectively.
Yes.
And then there's okay. Now this.
Yeah.
So this is output determination. Right? Partner function. Any other interface you are working currently?
So I know the RFC, CPI, PIPO, that interface also. Yeah, I know. Yeah, so how using CPI or PIPO, how the SAP communicate with the e-commerce website, how the data flow from e-commerce to the SAP, how the orders are created, what is the role of interface, how the things are getting updated via like BAPI. Also know in BAPI the functional modules used for the updation on the data. Yeah, so all the things I work on, and yes, and well aware and hands-on experience on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's start from the basics. Okay.
Okay.
Because basics, I always start from the basic. This IDOC is we want that you know. Okay, so now let's have this how. Okay. If I change the shipping condition.
Okay.
In the sales order, what will be the impact on the sales order? Is there any redeterminations takes place there?
Yes, there is one pop-up will become shipping condition is changed. Then based on the shipping conditions, the shipping point also will get changed. Okay, as per the shipping point determination that we have maintained. Yeah, that changes will happen.
Now, shipping point, how you determine shipping point in the sales order?
Yes, so it's a combination of shipping condition that we maintain in the customer master, loading group that we maintain in the material master, and the delivering plant at the sales order level. Using these three combinations, the shipping points will be determined.
Okay. Yeah. But shipping condition is coming from?
Customer master.
There is another way from where I can get the shipping condition. SAP has given that. Okay. This is where also you can maintain the shipping condition apart from the customer master. You know.
I'm not completely sure, but the CMI customer master info record at that level, but I'm not completely sure.
No.
Yeah.
So item category.
Yes, item category. Yeah, so item category is determined based on the sales order type. Item category group from the customer master uses.
Item category group.
Yes.
From
norm, that is army. Yeah, from the material master.
From material.
Yeah. Uses and higher level item category group from the material master, and the default item category that we maintain. Using that combination, item category will be get determined.
Item usage.
Yeah, item uses.
Where you will see item usage.
And the item category.
Item usage.
Yeah, at the item category determination level, we can see it and
we
can maintain.
That is POV4. Where?
So we can.
Where it will come?
From customer CMIR, customer master info records.
Okay, and regarding this, okay, I have one scenario. Okay, where customer says, okay, I have customer PO reference is there in the sales order.
Yes,
right.
I know, yeah.
So now he wants that it should be as per standard SAP, it is in warning always. Okay. So now customer says no, because my sales order that may be missed because of customer PO number reference. I want to make it as an error instead of the warning. It should be a hard stop, saying that there is a number already present in the system. That is standard. So, but I want this should be in an error. So, do you have how you will configure this or this? The requirement is this.
Yes, we can field controls.
That error.
Yeah, field control catalogs. in the sales order document header data field control catalog, we can make this field as mandatory, and we can give the error as a hard error or the warning error that we can achieve using that configurations. Also, we can maintain that field as a mandatory required in the incompletion procedure as well. Using that also we can maintain this or achieve this.
So now what happened? Okay, so I can the PGI, right?
Yeah, supposed to do this.
Once you press the PGI, what will happen?
Okay, so so after picking PGI will be done. Okay, so once we done the PGI, the accounting document will be generated. Okay, the COGS account, cost of goods sold, will be get debited, and the inventory account will be get credited. Also, the stock of that particular material will get reduced. This is the second, and the third thing will be the completion delivery document completion status will be updated as a completed, and the fourth step will be that particular delivery document after PGI will become available for invoicing. That four steps mainly updated while after the PGI. Yeah.
Okay, so do you have an idea of invoice split and invoice combination?
Yes, invoice split actually, yeah. So based on the specific requirement, it got splitted like different shipping, ship to parties, Incoterms, payment terms. These parameters were considered, okay, while we are splitting the invoice, and using that combination or using that key parameters, we can split the invoices. Yeah.
But if I want to do this combined, then
from where?
Now there are two sales order, two deliveries, and customer says I want to combine invoice.
Okay.
Okay. Then how you will make this requirement?
So we can simply go to the VFO1 transaction code and put the two deliveries at a time. Okay. If the ship to same, all the payment terms, Incoterms, shipping conditions are the same, then it will generate one invoice for both the deliveries.
Okay, so all my parameters are same. What you are saying, like
yes,
sold to party, Incoterm,
yes,
billing document
yes,
type.
yes.
Okay, payment terms,
yes.
pay is also same.
Yes, this is the requirement.
Still, I am not able to combine the invoice, so I go and check one more time. But no, not able to do this. So, do you know any setting we have to do?
At the billing document type, there is one field, split invoices. We need to.
No. Okay, so now what happened? So in the copy control,
okay,
VTFL. Okay, so there is one field. We need to check that value change from like we need to maintain 001 something value. That is multiple deliveries into a single billing document. Okay. Then only, even if the parameters are same, then this copy control we have to maintain.
Okay. Yeah. I got
but there is another way. Okay. If two sales order has been punched, and there is order combination tick is there in the invoice. In the sales order. Okay. To tick that order combination, okay, then that if the setting is there, then it will have the combined delivery, you can say.
Okay. Okay.
Now what happened? My business came to me and he said, I want 4 printouts of the invoice.
Okay.
So one for this warehouse, one for my logistics team, one for accounting, and one for the customer. So before printout I want. So how you will do this? Like, do you have any idea?
Yes, at the communication method, okay, at the printing level, so we can set up that configurations, okay. The first one is the original copy, the second one is for the transporter, the third one is for the duplicate. It's like that. We can we can print 4 copies of a single invoice with stating the different names. Yeah, so we can achieve that at the smartphone.
Afterwards, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I want to make the reference mandatory. Okay, so my customer came to me and said, client, now, okay, so right now the sales order I have created with the help of US01 directly.
Okay.
Okay, there is no reference of inquiry or quotation most 99% quotation. So because at the end of the month I want the report that against this inquiry these are the quotation has been created. Against these quotations we have converted this into sale or not, right? That report you want, but for that I need to do that reference for sales order mandatory, correct?
Correct.
For the quotation, how you will do this? How you will do this? Config, cd.
Yes, in the in completion log we can make that field reference number as a mandatory. Okay.
Not. I want when I pen just A01, immediately pop-up should come. Reference.
Okay, reference. Then we can achieve. Okay. So we can achieve this using the customization user exit. Okay. For the data validation. So while creating the order or any quotation, that pop-up will be reference number should become automatically. Pop-up will become.
The reference number I will put, but that pop-up should come. So that pop-up, what is a configuration? A01 I put. I put the order type GOR. Immediately pop-up. Enter the reference where you see the billing document number, inquiry, quotation.
Reference.
Right. So that pop-up, how it comes? That is mandatory.
No, I'm not sure about it. So, but we at the sales order level, we at the time of processing, if you wanted to any pop-up, then we can achieve it by.
VS01 I want. Not user exit. VS01.
Automatically pop-up.
It will come.
Yeah, I'm not sure about it. I need to check on that. Yeah.
Have you worked on return orders?
Yes, I did.
ARM? Have you worked on
ARM? No, so may I know, so what does mean?
Advanced return management.
Advanced return management. No, but I work on the return management, and I know.
Return order you have worked, or you have worked on return management?
Written order configurations. Yeah, written order configurations, written delivery, and credit memo. That is the basic process we follow. Okay, so we create the written order with reference to the billing invoice that we have, that goods we have delivered to the customer. Okay, so let's say for scenario, the particular product has a quality issue or it got damaged during the transit, and now customer wanted to return it to the company. So in that case, we create the written order. RE is document type with reference to the billing document, and we create that. The REN is item category, DN is the scheduling line category is being used.
That is perfectly fine.
Yeah.
That is fine.
And then we do the return delivery with reference.
Process.
Yeah, and then credit
third-party business process.
Credit memo will be provided to the customer.
Correct.
Yeah, this is the process. Yeah.
So now I just wanted to know the third party.
Okay. Yeah. So what happened in third party? Okay, business company received the sales order from the business. Okay, and so company wanted to deliver the goods to the customer directly from the vendor. This is the basically third party scenario. We deliver the goods to the customer directly from the vendor. So in third party scenario, we create the sales order. Within sales order, the automatically PR will be get generated, and that checks is at the scheduling line level, CS, and TA is item category in the third party scenario. Then with reference to that PR, we generate the PO then provided to the vendor deliver the goods to the customer and provide us the vendor invoice. Then we punch that vendor invoice in the Miro transaction code.
Will determine.
Sorry. Yeah.
Or we can make a manual change. Right. Anything setting in material management we have to do?
For which?
Yes, for TAS.
Yes, right. The item category group, BANS, that we need to maintain as a third party.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then like sales order is having like 10 quantity.
Okay.
And vendor deliver the 7 quantity. Now it is a order related billing, correct?
Yes, it's absolutely order related.
So then what? So then you will do the VF01. You will put the sales order number, right? Once you put the sales order number, then how much quantity it will be in invoice?
So it's depend on the Miro invoices. Okay, there is one field, the billing relevance EF, that will fetch the data of the Miro invoice.
So where it is?
At the scheduling line level.
Scheduling or
and sales order document level also. The billing relevance EF is maintained.
Where?
Sales
item category?
Yeah, item category level TAS. The billing relevance is F is maintained, and using that the quantity will automatically fetch in the Miro quantity will automatically fetch the into the customer invoices. Yeah.
Now I created the correct. PR has been created automatically. Right?
Yes.
Our system knows in the PR, because when we create a sales order, right, the sold to party is a mandatory field, right?
Yeah.
It will determine ship to party from sold to party.
Yes, correct.
Now, how system knows for this material, this is the vendor. Like vendor will be there in the PR. Right?
Yes, it's already there. So for that, like for particular see, in ME11 we can maintain the info records, vendor info record. Okay. So using that, it will automatically get fetched, or
so source list.
Yeah, source list.
Source list. You know source list, or even if you don't know, that is perfectly fine.
No, I'm not aware of it.
Okay. So source list is there. In source list, there is, if this is the material, this is the plant, this will be the vendor. That is that list is there. So because vendor will be determined from the material, from the plant, like that, and from the storage location sometimes. So that source list, person will maintain that, but you should know that, because then the PR will not get generated. Correct?
Yes.
So as a precautionary measure, you can always ask to the
PIR as a purchase info record also maintained from the side. This will also help us to determine the fixed vendor for particular material.
Correct.
There is one more field at the scheduling line level, that is purchase requisition. We can get into that field, and there is one more additional field, that is fixed vendor. We can maintain also vendor there manually. Manually vendor. Yeah.
That is at the sales organization level also. Right?
Yes.
The automatic PO is there.
Yeah.
So okay, then do you have any question?
No, I'm good.
Okay, and what is the notice period?
So I'm currently serving notice period, okay, and my last working day is 25th of March.
are having 4.5 years of experience.
Yes, as a SAP consultant. Yes, and before that, overall I do have 7.4s. Before that, I work in 3 years. I work into supply chain management as a SAP end user.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm done, Prashant.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Nice to
Thank
talk
you
with
for
you.
your time.
Sure, same here. Bye. Have a good day.